Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieved this look doing butterfly distress locks. The first thing I did, I've already parted her hair into the sections that she wanted. And as you can see, I already did the nape area. And right here, I am inserting the hair using the crochet needle. I take and I insert the needle up on the braid and put the hair, lock it in, and pull it through. Some people do one plait at a time, but me personally, I go ahead and I put maybe like 4 or 5 in the hair. And again, I'm just inserting the needle under the plait, and then I put the hair on the needle and I lock it in and put it through, just like you do crochet. And excuse my lighting, but I didn't realize that the lighting wasn't good until I went to play back the video. But yeah, you insert the needle under the plait, put the hair on the needle, lock it in, put it through, and again I do like 4 or 5 braids and go from there, because to me it make the process go faster. You don't have to stop, put crochet through, stop, put it through. And so once I put it through, as you see, I take one piece of the hair and okay, so I hold one braid in the hair, and then I take the other one and I wrap it around, and I keep going down using the thumb method. And once I get to the desired length that I want, I flip it over and I wrap coming back up. So I slowed the video down. As you can see, I'm gonna split it up, and I'm gonna hold one side, and then the remainder here I'm gonna take and I'm gonna wrap around. I think I wrapped it around like 2 or 3 times, and then I start using the thumb method, where I wrap and I slide my thumb through, as you can see, and then I wrap again like 2 times, and then I insert my thumb. Hold on, the hair got tangled. Yeah, I insert my thumb, wrap twice, insert my thumb, wrap twice, and you do this all the way down. And once it gets to the desired length, I flip the hair and I wrap coming back up. And I do apologize, I didn't get that footage where I wrap at the end, but the next time I do it, I will have that to show. But yeah, it's the same method. You repeat the same method until you complete the style. Many people do it different ways. It's all up to you. Everybody have their own method. It's just a method that worked for me. Again, you're going to see me split it. I'm going to hold one side. I'm going to wrap it around. Wrap. And wrap. And now I'm going to take and insert my thumb. As you can see, I wrap twice at the top. Wrap twice at the bottom. Insert my thumb. Wrap twice at the top. Then wrap twice at the bottom. Again, wrap twice at the top and wrap twice at the bottom. And you continue that all the way down and just repeat it. And that's how I do my butterfly locks. So right here you're gonna see me grab my oil sheen and I spray her scalp, because the product that I use to do my sectioning sometimes will leave the client's hair looking white or dry. So I use my oil sheen just to oil it and give it that shine look.